In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Slides. This is a fundamental skill that will help you organize your presentations effectively, making your ideas clear, concise, and professional. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Google Slides. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. You can simply type Google Slides in the search bar or go directly to slides.google.com. If you're not signed in yet, log into your Google account. This ensures your presentations are saved securely and accessible from anywhere, giving you the flexibility to edit or share them anytime. Once you're on the homepage, you have two options to start your presentation. Click on Blank Presentation to start from scratch, giving you complete creative control, or choose from a range of themes to get a pre-designed, visually consistent layout. Choosing a theme can save time and provide a professional look without worrying about design details. After opening your presentation, select the text you want to turn into bullet points. Click inside a text box where your content is, or start typing your points directly. Highlight the text if it's already there. Next, locate the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the bullet list icon, which looks like a small set of dots or dashes. Click on it, and your selected text will instantly transform into a neat and organized list of bullet points. Here's a useful tip. You can customize the appearance of your bullets by clicking the small arrow next to the bullet list icon. This allows you to change the style to match your presentation theme, whether you want dots, arrows, stars, or another shape. Adjusting the style ensures your slides look visually appealing and consistent with your overall design. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've mastered how to add bullet points in Google Slides. This technique not only creates clear and concise slides, but also helps keep your audience engaged. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be crafting professional presentations with ease and confidence.